this is going to be kind of like a small tutorial step-by-step to show you how to add the Dextro cloning system. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the Dextro cloning system is not on your avatar before. So if it's like a previous package that you're just fixing the cloning system on, so as you can see, I have it in here. This was fresh, I just imported this, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. This is how you would delete it. It says some assets could not be deleted, but you go ahead and delete it. There we go. And then just to make sure, you wanna search up Dex and also clone, and there should not be any. So once you do that, basically you wanna drag this into your assets, and you wanna import it. You want to drag this onto your avatar, like onto the actual name of the avatar. And then you want to unpack it, so you would right click on World Transform, Prefab, Unpack. Make sure that in your avatar's menus, I don't know if this is just something I do, but I make sure that there's a blank new controller that's available. You want to go to Tools, Dextro, Cloning System, and this will end up being blank for you at the very beginning where it says none, and these will all not be checkmark. They'll all be blank, apart from right. But basically you'll just drag in your avatar that you want. Drag in this. If you don't see this, you'll just see this. Just add clone. You can change this to any avatar you want, so if there's like a second avatar like in here that you want to put there, you can, but if you just want it to actually just clone your normal avatar, you just put that there. If you do show clone, it's going to show you where it's actually going to appear when you turn it on. I like my avatars to actually appear like inside, so you don't see the clone at first. Then you're going to check mark all these. This will be actually 2 seconds, but I prefer 6. I suggest 6. I recommend it. You don't have to do attach clone. This is only if you want to be able to attach the clone somewhere. I don't. But you can do that, and you can move around the clone like anywhere you want, but I don't. Then you're just gonna hit generate, and then you're gonna let it load. Clone will be successful. And then you can close this, and you're gonna notice that 2 more things popped up in the hierarchy. To test this out, you can go to Gesture Manager. I suggest saving before you do that, and then enter play mode. And then once you're here, you're gonna notice that you have a clone control to 1. I suggest turning it on, and then just testing it out a little bit. So since my clone is inside mine, you're not going to be able to really see the avatar until you mirror it. You can tell that the avatar textures are mirroring, and therefore it is working pretty well. You can rotate it to see that it's rotating, and it works pretty well. And that's how you add it. If there's any issues, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll be watching them as much as I possibly can. I hope this helped.